okay, when somebody is found guilty of whatever kind of crime, as a judge, what determines whether they get the minimum or the maximum?
Well, the sentencing guidelines in Tennessee requires a judge to consider lots of different factors. And a lot of them, the biggest thing probably has to do with what their prior criminal history is.
Okay.
And all crimes are categorized by levels, particularly felonies. First degree murders in a level by itself. Then there's level A felonies, B felonies, C felonies, and depending on the person's prior record, which range they fall in. If is their very first offense or second, they're usually within what's called range 1.
Okay.
If they've been around a while and have enough convictions to qualify, they become range 2, etc. And the guidelines set a sentence range for each of those felonies in each of those ranges. So a judge has to first determine what range the person is within their felony level and the range of punishment, and then has to consider lots of other factors, the facts at the trial, the other criminal behavior. There's a whole list of factors the judges take into consideration. They also have to take into consideration any mitigation. What kind of person is this? What efforts have they made towards rehabilitation in their life? What are the good things they've done in their lives? Whether there's some kind of special circumstances about this particular crime that should lead to, to lean towards a minimum versus a maximum sentence.